What happened with their mittens?
They got nibbled there.
They got nibbled, the three little kittens?
Yeah, and look, he's worried.
What happened with what are the kittens worried?
Yeah, can I see?
No. Mommy's taking up a movie of you. Look at the mittens. Look at the kittens. What's happening with the kittens?
Playing. They're just playing.
The kittens are playing. But weren't they crying before? What happened?
Because they lost their mittens.
They lost their mittens?
Yeah.
And what happened when they lost their mittens?
They're sighing.
They were sighing?
Yeah.
Were they crying too?
Yeah. Can
you say the rhyme? The three little kittens.
Or lost. They're snuggling their mittens.
They're snuggling their mittens?
Yeah. What lost your mittens? You're naughty kittens, but you may have some. Say here. See here.
What happened?
Look, he's happy.
He's happy. What happened? Why is he so happy?
Because his mommy's here. He's saying, see here. That was kittings. Can I have this?
Okay, say thank you, Nanny, for the book.
Thank you, Nanny, for the book.
I like it.
I like it.
Bye-bye. See you at Christmas.
Bye-bye. See you at Christmas.